control it!
Yes, you can! Increase thrust now!
Trying! It's lifting!
Hold it steady!
We made it! I told you!
Hey creators, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create mind-blowing AI videos for free with SEEDANCE 2. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right in. I'm so excited to share this update with you. I'm so excited. You won't believe this. All the videos that you watch was generated free, like for free. And the best part, it is 15 seconds. All right. So firstly, what I did was going to ChatGPT. Now, when I said this, I went to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT I want a movie displaying 2 characters, a pizza 3D animation. On the plane, one is beautiful with large coily afro hair on glasses. Another man on neat haircuts. They are dark skin on an aeroplane body. So this is what it gave me. It generated the prompt for the 2 characters. All right. Now what I said again is I need a description of their outfit. So it went ahead to give me the description of Amira and Josh. So those are the 2 pilots. All right. So I went ahead and told ChatGPT that I need 5 scenes, which includes the characters, images, the video description, and the dialogue. So these are the video description, which I'm going to use it to generate the images. All right. So what I'm going to do now is to just copy everything. When I copy it, then I'll move over to my note and paste it. As you can see, these are the video description. So the next thing I did was selecting this. I copied this. All right. Now what I did next was generating their image. These are the images of my characters. I copied the characters images from ChatGPT and I pasted it here. Which generated this image. Then I went over here. Now I click here and select. Upload image. All right. Now these are the characters. All right. So I'm going to click on this and select. Okay. So when I click on it and select, the next thing I'm going to do is to do what? I'm going to highlight this. Select all and paste the first scene. Okay. The first scene. So make sure that your image, make sure that you upload this image from this end so that it will maintain the consistency of the character. I believe you understand. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to change my aspect ratio. Before it was placed on 9:16, so I'm going to go to 16:9 and hit generate. So while it's still generating, I'm moving over to my notepad. I'll go to scene 2. I'll copy scene 2. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Then I'll move over to this side and still paste my prompt. As you can see, it has generated the first image. So I'm going to paste my prompt and hit generate. While it's still generating, I'll still move over here and copy scene 3. Just copy scene 3. All right, just follow this same procedure. Definitely, you are going to get an amazing result. All right, now I'll still paste scene 3 here and hit generate. I'll move over here and copy scene 4. I'll copy scene 4. I'll copy it. I'll move over here and hit. As you can see, other ones that are pressing their prompt, they have been generating. So I just want to do everything fast. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. I'll copy this, then I'll move over here and paste it. So you have to be very careful. Okay. All right. So the images are almost 5. Now this is the first image. Can you see? This is the second one. It's different reactions. All right. So this one is actually generated the 2 of them, which this one is okay. So you have to be careful. All right. So this is the last one. All right. Now what I'm going to do now is to click here by the right hand side and select download. Just click here and download, then click here and download. By your right hand side, just tap on the image which generated. Definitely is going to download. All right, so I'm going to tap here as well and select download. I will tap here, download. I will tap here and download. Okay, this is very easy. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to click here. Just click here and select all the scenes, both the dialogues and everything. Just copy all of them, copy it. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to move over to CapCut. Okay, if you don't have CapCut, simply go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download CapCut. All right, so for the beginners that don't know what CapCut is, so just go to your search bar on your Play Store, just type CapCut. All right, now this is CapCut. As you can see, it's already installed on my phone. Now I'm going to open it now. When I open it, it's going to bring me to this interface. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down and you're going to see all tools. Click on all tools. When you see all tools, the next thing you're going to select is AI video. All right, now you're going to see this option. The first option is describe your video. Note, real faces in uploads are not supported. This simply means that you cannot just upload an image. You can just create your own realistic images. Don't just upload an image just like Grok. You don't use another person's image or your image. Just generate your realistic image for this and 3D animate. Click on the plus icon and select all the same. Okay, I'm going to select all the same. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this one, click this one, click this and click this and click this. They are up to 5 images. So after selecting the 5 images, remember they said you can upload up to 5 images. Okay, so I'm going to select add. As you can see, the 5 images are being uploaded. Now the next thing you're going to see is going to place itself at SEEDANCE 2.0. Now it's placed on SEEDANCE 2.0 fast. All right, so I'm going to generate it with SEEDANCE 2.0 fast. They're not going to charge me any credit because I'm using it for the first time. All right, now you can choose leave it at reference. Okay, now you can choose your aspect ratio and yeah, and choose 15 seconds. Also place it at 480p or you can place it at 780p. Choose the one that resonates with you. All right, to place it at 480p. Now the difference between 480p and 720p is this: 480p don't charge you for credit. As you can see, the credit is 0. Now when you click on 720p, they're going to charge you 210 credit. All right, so after this, the next thing you're going to do is to hit generate. Hit generate and stay here. All right, so this is the first one I generated. Now if you want to still generate more, all you have to do is to go back. Just go back there. Though I'm going to show you. If you want to generate more, I'm going to show you on how to generate more scene. Okay, now this is it. This is scene 5. So I went ahead to tell ChatGPT that I want it to generate more scene. Okay, so I said I want it to generate, make it up to 9 scene. So as you can see, this is from scene 5. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy from scene 6 to scene 9. All right, so I'm going to copy it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my notepad. Just go to your notepad. Now I'm going to go to my notepad and paste it here. Now I'm still going to generate their images differently. So I'll copy it. I'll move over to my Chrome browser. Remember, make sure that your uploaded image is there. All right, so I'm going to highlight all of this. Just highlight all of this and paste and generate. So now the previous ones I generated, I'm going to delete them so that I will not be confused. So I'm going to delete all of this. These are the previous ones. So if you generated yours before, or if you want to generate yours together, just generate it once and for all. All right, so this is the new one I just generated now. So I'm moving over here. I'm going to copy scene 7. All right, so I'm going to click here and download this one. Now this is, now I'm going to copy scene 8. I'll hit generate and scene 9. I'll move over here and I'm going to copy it. I'll move over here and still paste it. Now, apart from this, you can still use Flow to generate your images like this. You can still use Flow for this. All right. Now this is scene 7. I'm downloading it. This is scene 8. Now this is scene 9. All right, now let's go back and check our video. Now before then, I'm going to copy all of this. I mean the description. I'm going to copy all of this. I'll copy it and move over. Let's go check the progress of our video which we are generating. The previous one we generated, so I'm going to click on it now. Let's click on it and see. So I'm going to export it. Now I went ahead to upload my 5 images. These are my 5 images. You upload the images using this plus icon, then you paste your prompt with your dialogue. These are the dialogues and the prompt. All right, now I'm going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see how many seconds you want. So I'm going to select 15 seconds. Now you are going to change your aspect ratio. If you don't change your aspect ratio, definitely they're going to give you 1. So you have to change your aspect ratio depending on what you're working with. All right, now I left it at 480p because 480p doesn't consume much credit. If I change it to 720p, 720p consumes up to 255 credit. Now 480p consumes 120 credits. All right, so I'm going to hit generate. The video is generating, so let's wait for the result. Now the video is
Yes, you can! Increase thrust now!
Trying! It's lifting!
Hold it steady!
We made it! I told you!
Now this is beautiful. So after this, you export your work. Now you can try this with realistic, but don't use someone else's photo for this. You can generate your own realistic image. All right, and try this. You can generate as much as you want using your reference image. If you want to generate consistency, I think your reference image will be better than using just your text to video. For the first time you are to generate your video, you will not be charged. You will not be charged any credit. Then if you want to generate it again, you're going to be charged credit. This is strictly for those that are using CapCut Pro. Before someone will come back and say that it is not free, I couldn't use it. This is for those that are using CapCut Pro.